The MT Monitor module offers you the ability to monitor your operations in MT servers from PrimeXM portal. Using the MT Monitor module you can monitor in real-time buy exposure, sell exposure, max exposure and net exposure from all the available MT servers. If in-depth analysis is required, the component offers the ability to select specific MT servers, groups, accounts, and symbols. The component allows you to define in which currency the exposure should be calculated, specify the level and type of aggregations to be performed, as well as define the date from which the calculations should be applied. The exposure information calculated is presented in both data grid and graphical representation using the exposure chart to allow interactive analysis. If required, the data can be exported to Excel for further analysis using Excel tools. Position Analytics provides details for positions either in real time or historical based on a predefined date. Information provided includes real-time calculated position volume, pip value, and open P&L, as well as historical data such as volume, trade size, commissions, and swaps. This information can be calculated either from broker's perspective or from client's perspective. Similar to exposure, if in-depth analysis is required, the component offers the ability to select specific MT servers, groups, accounts, and symbols. The information calculated is presented in both data grid and graphical representation using the position chart and can be exported to Excel for further analysis using Excel tools. Using the trade history component, you can generate reports for a predefined time frame of orders from specific MT server groups and symbols. Details will be generated in a grid, allowing you to view the order information as it was sent from the MT server as well as how it was received in the X-Core. This reports can be exported to an Excel for bookkeeping purposes or to share with colleagues or regulation bodies. Using the corporate actions, you can perform stock split calculations and operations which allow splitting of stocks with proportional decrease in value to reflect real market changes. Using the corporate actions split rate history, you can perform stock split calculations and operations on historical quotes in the MT server. The corporate actions cash dividends component allows a broker to calculate and pay dividends to shareholders according to the number of shares each of them has in their possession.